Welcome! In this video, we will show you some steps to basic infant care while your baby is staying with us in the nursery. Let's start with diaper changing and swaddling. Caring for your baby involves changing their diapers to ensure comfort and prevent diaper rash. You can easily tell if the diaper is soiled when the yellow indicator turns blue. Make it easier by placing the necessary items at your baby's cot side. A clean diaper, wipes, and diaper cream if needed. Before you start changing your baby, wash your hands with soap and water. Let's start by removing the diaper tabs and fold them over. Hold the baby's ankles with one hand and gently lift the baby's legs to expose the bottom. Pull down the front of the diaper and use the wipes to clean the baby from front to back. Make sure to clean the creases at the groin area as well. This is also a good time to look for any redness on the baby's buttocks. If there is, apply a thin layer of diaper cream. Remove the diaper and replace it with the clean one by gently lifting the baby's legs by their ankles. Finish by folding the clean diaper back up and securing the tabs. For our baby boys, remember to point their penis downwards to prevent any leakage from the diaper. If your baby still has their umbilical cord attached, fold the diaper down to avoid pressure on the umbilical cord. You can throw away the soiled diaper or pass it to the nurse if weighing is required. Please wash your hands again with soap and water. You may wonder whether your baby's stool color is normal. In the first few days of life, babies will pass meconium, which is very thick, sticky, and a very dark greenish black. Breastfed babies will have yellowish and seedy stools. If your baby is on formula feeds, the stools may even be greenish. All these are normal colors. Now that you have successfully changed your baby's diaper, the next step is to swaddle them. This is another important skill for parents to learn to keep your baby warm, secure, and calm. Especially for our preemie babies, swaddling helps to increase sleep time, minimize stress in new environments, and help them maintain a normal body temperature. Now, we will show you how to swaddle your baby.
First, pull one corner of the blanket towards the center to form an inverted triangle and place it in the cot. Place your baby in the middle of the blanket. Make sure your baby's shoulders are aligned with the top of the folded triangle. Take the shorter side of the swaddle, snugly bring it across your baby and tuck it behind your back. Fold the bottom of the blanket up over your baby's feet. It is important to leave some space for your baby's legs to move or keep them flexed. Swaddling their legs straight can be bad for their hips. Finally, wrap the longer side of the swaddle snugly over your baby and tuck the end into the blanket. Safety tips. Your baby's neck and face should be above the swaddle. The swaddle should not be too tight. Check by placing 2 fingers between the swaddle and your baby for the baby to move naturally. Also, ensure the swaddle is not too loose to prevent it from coming undone when your baby moves. This helps promote safe sleep.
Diaper change and swaddling are essential everyday skills that you will master with more practice. Do this for your baby when you visit the ward. If unsure, ask your nurse for assistance. Remember, practice makes perfect.